Hey guys, I'm Alice. Here we have a new product, different design, better quality, which can also install it easily. A new generation of container houses is coming. Just open the roof and walls, and then use L-shaped corner covering to fix the partition walls. Look, it's really very easy. Let's come in. Here is a switch of the ceiling light. The whole electrical system is installed in the factory. The floor is made of board and 1.6mm plastic floor, which is very sturdy and durable. This is a study room. Come in and see. Oh my gosh, Mr. Square is here. It's a great room for table, bookshelves, and ceiling lights. What a perfect private space. Let's move to the other room. Oh, sorry, Mr. Square. Actually, I think she's sleeping. This room can be used as a bedroom for a large bed, and the wardrobe can be placed. Let's look at the bathroom. Let's look at the bathroom. Here is the bathroom with a fully equipped toilet, shower, mirror, and sink. The same ceiling light, which has been completed during the production process. Here is a very beautiful kitchen with matching sinks and cabinets. This can be customized according to your requirements, and the quality is very good. The whole house is also equipped with high-quality aluminum alloy sliding windows and is very smooth. This area is about 16 square meters and can be used as a large living room. We can tell that Mr. Square is enjoying it. Although the container house is not very big, it contains all the functions for living. If you want more details, just subscribe us and we will update our detailed videos soon. See ya guys!